Hello students, today we'll continue the 7 ages. Okay, in my previous class we did 2 stanzas and today I'm going to start with the third stanza, right? And then the lover, I'll write the stanza first. And then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad. With a woeful ballad made to his mistress eyebrow, then a soldier. First of all, I'll write so that I can explain it afterwards. Okay? Full of strange oaths, and bearded like the pard, jealous in honors, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth, even in the cannon's mouth. Right. So today I'll start to explain it. And first of all, I'll give you the meanings. Sighing. Sighing means breathing deeply. Sighing means breathing deeply. Furnace. Furnace means fireplace. Furnaces means fireplace. Woeful means very sad. Ballad means a long song. Ballad means long song. Eyebrow, the line of hair, as you all know, above the eyes. Oaths, promises. Oaths means promises. Pard means leopard. Pard means leopard. Jealous in honor means vigilant or quick over here in this poem. Jealous in honor means vigilant or quick. Right? Seeking means searching. Bubble reputation, temporary fame or honor. Temporary fame or honor. Cannon's mouth, mouth of a big gun. Mouth of a big gun. Okay. So we have learned all the meanings. Now I'll just tell you the explanation. Right. See. Now we have read 2 stages of a man's life. Now the third stage is and then the lover. Now after taking birth, he becomes a young boy, child, goes to school. That was second stage. And the third stage that he becomes a lover. And sighing like a furnace. He sigh like a fireplace because this is the third stage and this is stage of a lover, and man sighs the remembrance of his lover, and Then he becomes a soldier. Afterwards, he becomes a soldier and he takes oaths and he just keeps beard like a leopard and he is very vigilant. He is very quick in getting honor. He likes his honor very much and he is ready to quarrel if his honor is not kept. If somebody insults him, he just keep ready for his for quelling also. And though that reputation, that honor is very temporary, it's short timed, okay? But for that bubble reputation, for temporary reputation, fame, the man in his fourth stage is quick, is ready to fight. Okay, he can go into the mouth of a big gun also, right? So now I'll just ask questions. Jealous in honor here means jealous in honor means prompt in seeking or receiving honor. Seeking bubble reputation here means searching for temporary reputation. He is ready to take temporary reputation. If he will not take temporary reputation, he will just quarrel. And he writes a woeful ballad. It means he writes poems, long poems, in for his mistress or beloved. Okay. So now the fourth stanza and then the justice and next stage is of justice and in fair round belly in fair round belly which good cap and lined with the eyes severe and beard of formal cut and beard of formal cut full of wise saws and modern stances and so he plays his part. Right, I have written the 5 lines of this stanza. Now I'll give you the meanings. Justice means judge. Fair. Fair means very large. Capon, a big male chicken. Lined means filled. Severe. Severe means harsh looking. Formal means official. Saws means sayings. Instances means examples. Okay, so this is the 5th stage of the man's life. He just becomes justice. He behaves like a justice, like a judge. The next stage means this stage of a life is that of a judge. He has a very big round belly. Belly means stomach, tummy. He has a very big round belly and he is so fond of eating big and fat male chickens. He is a man of severe or hard looks. He looks very hard and sincere. He wears a beard of formal cut. He is very intelligent and is full of wise sayings and modern examples. He always gives examples and he uses sayings in his talks, and so the justice plays his own role, right? And so he plays his part and so he plays his own role. Justice here means is one who hears and decides cases in a court of law. Justice, one who decides cases. Why is justice belly fair and round? Because he eats fat male chickens. Wise saws means wise sayings. Clear? So today we have completed 4 stanzas. In my next class, we'll take fifth stranger. So that's all for the day. Good day.